In this example, we are solving a quadratic equation in part B specifically. Now for part A, just to recap that really quick, that was a little bit more simple, a little bit more direct because the function is in terms of v. So you have v, you have that speed, you just place that into v and substitute and solve. Now for part B, we instead here know the distance. So I'm really solving here this equation. Where is 200 equal to 1.3 v plus 0.04 v squared? And just given the coefficients of this quadratic equation, I'm leaning towards either picking up some technology or using the quadratic formula to solve. There are other ways to solve quadratics, but just because of these otherwise unclean looking coefficients, I think that would probably be best. Now there is one thing I need to go ahead and do though, and that's move the 200 so that I'm setting this quadratic equal to 0, and I'll go ahead and rearrange my terms so that they are in descending order, like so. Then I can use the quadratic formula. So using that quadratic formula, this is what I have. And then simplifying for the positive, or for the plus here, in particular, I get 56.3. The other one, when I subtract, would be negative, so that would not make sense in the context of this problem. And then rounded to the nearest mile per hour, that's where they get 56 miles per hour is the maximum speed that one can travel and still break within that distance.